Here we are, back on my home away from home. I'm sure you guys are getting tired of watching these videos, right? Let's see. It's windy, it's getting ready to rain. I got to put rock for that Airco pad, and then these two. I think it's this middle house. Dig out for a parking pad back here. I may start even spreading some of the dirt because that one's going to close at the end of the week, but we got some more pretty severe storms coming through tonight with a lot of rain. So it always seems like it takes longer to dry those out and stuff if you got it all spread out. Not really sure how I ended up with a load of dirt right here, but oh well, look at that. We will work with it. So yeah, let's get some base rock down, get the Airco pads built, and get that dirt moved. Episode of Elite Mudworks, we're going to try to put a yard in. I want to close on this house by Friday. Today's Wednesday. The dirt's not dry, but the people are pretty adamant they want the yard done so they can close on the house. So I'm just supposed to go over here and get it as close as we can. Well, let's get to it. Well, this is going just about as good as it looks. I think I thought I was BSing him when I told him it was just going to be a little too wet to do this today, but we're supposed to still try. It's just about ready for seed and straw. Super Clean sent me a package a while back. I think I've filmed this 2 or 3 different times, but the first time is when I switched computers and ended up losing the footage. The second time, there was something with my GoPro, it didn't load, but yesterday I changed the expansion valve and took the, I opened up to deal with the blower motors are at and the evaporators and stuff like that in the cab, and cleaned all those out because the AC wasn't working quite right, or wasn't getting cool enough. So when I blew it out, it made just a colossal mess inside here. So I will finally try to film this 3rd time's the charm with the Super Clean stuff. It does a good job, so I'm happy with it. Yeah, I don't know how well it's being kind of sunny, but yeah, you can see where it was condensating in here and running down. I got the drain opened up on that, but yeah, now everything's just a mess in here. So we will try this stuff out. Yeah, I'm sure you can't see very well actually cleaning. But I try to keep this thing detailed out as much as possible. I know it doesn't always probably look like it. Yeah, we'll just spray it on there. So yeah, I do actually just try to, I've actually come in here before and just armor rolled all this stuff. Well, like I said, I know that was a real quick clean because I'm just ready to go home, but got all the mud and everything. So, I mean, I kind of missed that, but like I said, I was just in a hurry. But I'll spend a little more time on it next go around and really get in here, and I may try to blow some of the dust and junk out first. But yeah, it definitely gets all this junk cleaned up nice. So thanks, Super Clean. Catch you guys tomorrow. So we're back over on this yard. It's Friday. I was here Wednesday, and you can see it looks like it's pretty dry, but I think it's just the top inch or so. It's actually about as hard as a rock on the top of it now, but it still pumps. But they want me to try to get this straightened up where they can seed and straw today and still close on it. So we're gonna do our best with what we can, see Well, this isn't much of an after, but I guess the dirt is spread. It is still super, super wet and pumping bad. And I think we're a few loads short. But I'm hoping kind of get it spread out, get some more sun and wind on. I think it's supposed to rain over the weekend again. Maybe I'll come back over here tomorrow and see if I can't run the preparator over it. They went ahead and got this one seed and strawed in the front in between these two, so those are done. And then the concrete guy's supposed to be back next week to pour the parking pad, and then we'll dress that up. So we may have to just finish these up next week, but for today, this will work.